Hi there, Dr. Dave here, and it's time to rise and whine. The excellent book, The Chosen by Chaim Potok, was turned into a pretty good movie by the same name. And the story is about an Orthodox father and son who are at odds and involved in an intractable conflict. I don't want to spoil the movie or the book for you, but there's a story that's told in the movie about a king whose son has gone astray, and the son is told to return to his father, the king, and the son says he can't do that. Eventually, the king sends a messenger to his son with the following message: "If you come back as far as you can, I will meet you the rest of the way." I think there are all kinds of situations in life where we have separations from other people in business and in our personal lives. And sometimes those separations are permanent, and they should be. But there's other times where we have a strong relationship with someone and there's a conflict, and often that conflict goes on so long we can't even remember what started it in the first place. But the idea of taking a small action towards resolving that is important. Oftentimes both people are like this, each waiting for the other to realize the error of their ways and make a move to start restoring that friendship or that relationship. But it's possible, like the story in The Chosen, that if you choose to make one small step towards the other person that you've had that conflict with, that they may choose to meet you the rest of the way. I hope you have a fantastic rest of your day, and thank you for spending a minute of it with me.